Hey everybody, Kev here. November 20th, 2011. Some good rain in California. Much needed on this Sunday afternoon. Palm trees and rain in California. You know what? Don't believe that song. Here's my backup. Rain in California. So, I just thought I'd share this day. All these darn power lines around here. As you can imagine, it's probably hard to go underground earthquake faults. Not to mention we're near Long Beach Airport and they have stuff under the ground from the refineries like fuel and oils, so they can't go underground with these power lines. But hooray for rain in California. But there's this little place called San Pedro. They have a mudslide going on, and well, that's not good for them because that mudslide's gonna grow. Some of the reason why I'm taking this video is because they're saying some high winds and hail and lightning, and it'd be kind of interesting if I was able to get a shot of that lightning as it comes down. But I think it's more over there. This way that I'm looking now is the direct direction towards the Queen Mary. If I were to go straight that way. Wait a minute, let me see. Long Beach. No, I'm sorry. That would be more that way. That's Queen Mary direction. However, here we are. Rainy day. Sunday. Praise Jesus. Praise the Lord. And then, love you guys. And one last final clip. This is about a half an hour later, and we've got some good rain. Yeah, baby. See you in California. Very welcome. We don't mind that. More rain the merrier, why not? Okay, here we go. Unleash the floodgates. But as I was saying, not good for San Pedro. Hang on, guys. Mudslide City. I mean, we're talking a lot of rain. Wow, look at this stuff. Mega. Off the roof. Little mini version of Niagara Falls. And now it's going even harder. Can you believe that? Woohoo! Amazing. Look at that rooftop, guys. Biblical size, I'm telling you. Can you believe that? Hee-haw. It's like not getting any lighter. It never rains in California. Nah, I think it's doing some rain in here. What do you think? Thanks, Jesus. We needed that. We're praying for San Pedro though right now. It's crazy. Look at that.